Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9, Subject Mathematics. Chapter name Algebraic Expressions. Exercise 3.4, Lecture 1. Today's lesson, Resolve into Factors. Resolve into factors one number x cube minus 21x minus 20. This type of problem we had already solved in the subject Higher Mathematics, class 9-10, chapter 2. Chapter name also Algebraic Expressions. Okay, and we had also discussed there two kinds of theorem. One is factor theorem and another one is remainder theorem. So the student, you should again show these two types of theorem, and also you have to repeat or review the solution of this type of math. Again I will do this. Okay, here solution, this is a given condition, x cube minus 21x minus 20. So this type of math we had at first let f of related variable, has related variable x, so we can take the function f of x. This is equal to x cube minus 21x minus 20. Now we have taken a value which makes this into 0. So for taking value we have to consider the factors of leading coefficient or the factors of constant term. Here leading coefficient 1, a coefficient related to leading term. Leading term means a term whose power is highest. Here power of x, this is equal to 3, others here 1, here power 0. So this is a leading term and the coefficient of leading term here 1. So we have to take the factor of 1, either 1 or minus 1, or the factor of 20. Factor of 20 means 1, 2, 4, 5 or 20. We can take either plus 1 or minus 1, either plus 4 or minus 4, either plus 5 or minus 5, either plus 20 or minus 20. So at first we'll start from initial, that means plus 1 or minus 1. When we'll put here plus 1, this make not equal to 0. Okay, but when we'll put here x is equal to minus 1, this makes 0. That's mean minus 1 whole cube minus 21 into minus 1 minus 20. This is equal to minus 1 plus 21 minus 20. This is equal to 0. Okay, therefore x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Now this equal to, at first we will write third line. Okay, third line means x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 1 we will write. Then we have to take here x square. Why we will take here x square? Because here is x cube. So for matching x cube, when we will take here x square, this x square and x makes x cube. So we have to take here x square, and now multiplying this into this and write second line. That's mean x square into x mean x cube, x square plus 1 mean plus x square, but here is x square absent, so we have to vanish this. As a result, here we have to take minus x square. Okay, as here is x plus 1, so for matching minus x square we have to take here minus x. Clear? Now multiplying minus x into x mean x square and minus x plus 1 mean minus x. but here is minus 21x. So for meshing minus 21x, we have to take here minus 20x because here is minus x. Now for meshing minus 20x, we have to take here minus 20. As a result, minus 20 into x means minus 20x, and minus 20 into plus 1 means minus 20. Now here is common x plus 1. So here will be x square, here will be minus x, and here will be minus 20. Okay. Now this equal to, we can write, that's mean resolve into factors. That's mean here will be middle factor. Okay. So here will be x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 20. And here is common x. As a result, here will be x minus 5, here common plus 4. Here will be x minus 5. Therefore, x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 4. This is the required answer. All the math like this we will solve. Okay. Again, follow another math. That's my 3 number. Here given x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. This is a expression with the variable x. So we have to let f of x this equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. At first we have to think the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient here 1. So we have to take either plus 1 or minus 1. If we'll put x, that's mean x is equal to plus 1, this will not equal to 0. But when we'll put x is equal to minus 1, this makes 0. Okay. Now putting minus 3 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 11 into minus 1 plus 6, this equal to will get 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Okay, now this equal to, we'll write at first 3 number line, that's mean x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. Then we'll use sign. Okay, plus or minus. Clear? As here is x cube, so we have to take here x square. Now this into this will get x cube plus x square, but here is plus 6x square, so we have to take here plus 5x square. Now we have to mess with 5x square. As a result, here will be plus 5x. So here will be x plus 1 into 5x means 5x square plus 5x, but here is 11x, so we have to take here plus 6x. Now we can take common here 6. As a result, 6x plus 6 into 1 means 6. Now this equal to, we can write x plus 1 into x square plus 5x plus 6. Now this into middle factor. As a result, here will be 3x plus 2x. After calculating, we will get x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Do you know this? Okay. Now follow another math. That means 6 number. Here given a to the power 4 minus 4a plus 3. Okay, as the variable here is a, so we have to let here f of a. F of a equal to a to the power 4 minus 4a plus 3. Here leading coefficient 1, so we have to take either plus 1 or minus 1, or the factor of 3. 3, their factor will be 1 and 3, so we can take plus 1 or minus 1 or plus 3 or minus 3. As when we'll put a is equal to 1, this makes 0, so no need to think other factors of 1 or 3. Okay, as a result, here will be 0, so a minus 1. As a equal to 1, when a 1 converting to left side, that's mean a minus 1. So a minus 1 is a factor of f of a. Same process. Now this equal to, at first we will write this line a minus 1 into a minus 1 into a minus 1. Minimum 2 or 3 at first we will take, and if need we can take more, no problem. Okay. So for meshing a to the power 4, we have taken here a cube. So a cube into a mean a to the power 4 minus a cube. And as here is minus a cube absent, so we have to take here plus a cube. As a result, this discard. For meshing plus a cube, we have to take here a square. As a result, here a minus 1, that's mean a cube minus a square. Again here minus a square absent, so we have to take here plus a square plus a, and we'll meshing with this, so we have to take here a into a mean a square. plus a minus 1 mean minus a, but here is minus 4a, so we have to take here minus 3a. So for matching minus 3, we have to take here minus 3 as a result. Minus 3 into a mean minus 3a, minus minus plus 3 into 1 mean 3. Now we can take common a minus 1. As a result, left part a cube plus a square plus a minus 3. Now this again resolve into factors. So again we have to let this equal to something. Now follow. That means g of a this equal to this. Okay. Now when we'll put a is equal to 1, we'll get 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 minus 3. This equal to, we'll get 0. So a minus 1 is a factor of g of a. Okay. Now this equal to, we can write at first this line, that's mean a minus 1 into a minus 1 into a minus 1. Then we'll use sign. Okay. So here we have to take a square. This into this will get a cube minus a square. As here is plus a square, so we have to take here plus 2a square plus 2a into a minus 1. Here plus a mean, as here is minus 2a, but here is given plus a, so we have to take here plus 3a. So matching plus 3a, we have to take here only 3. As a result, here will be 3 into a minus 1. Now plus 3 minus 1 mean minus 3. This equal to, you can write a minus 1 into a square plus 2a plus 3. This cannot be break. So the required value of a to the power 4 minus 4a plus 3, this equal to a minus 1 into a minus 1 into a square plus 2a plus 3. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. Resolve into factors x cube minus 3xy square plus 2y cube. Here two variables, one is x and another one is y. So we have to consider one as variable and another one as constant. So when we will think x as variable, so y will be constant, and the polynomial will be f of x, this equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 2y cube. Now let x is equal to y. As a result, here will be y cube minus 3y into y square plus 2y cube. After calculating this equal to 0, so x minus y is a factor of f of x. Now this equal to, we can write third line, that's mean x minus y into x minus y into x minus y. So here will be x square and x square into this mean x cube minus x square y. Here xy into x minus y, that's mean x square y minus xy square. And here, for messing with this, we have to take here 2y square. As a result, here will be x minus y. Same process. And this equal to, we can write x minus y into x square plus xy minus 2y square. Again, this resolve into factors. So again, let g of x this equal to this. When we'll put x is equal to y, this makes 0. So x minus y is a factor of g of x. Now this equal to, we can write x minus y, x minus y. So for matching x square, we have to take here x, and here will be x square minus xy. But here is plus xy, so we have to take plus 2xy. Okay, and for matching plus 2xy, we have to take here 2y. Okay, 2y into x minus y. That's mean 2xy minus 2y square. Now this equal to x minus y into x plus 2y. Therefore this equal to x minus y whole square into x plus 2y. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. 9 number, like as before math, here two variable, one is a and another one is b. So we'll consider a as a variable and b as constant. So the polynomial will be f of a is equal to this. When a is equal to b, we'll get this, that means 0. Therefore a minus b is a factor of f of a. Now this equal to, at first write a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. Now messing with a cube, we have to take here a square. So here will be a cube minus a square b, and here is given minus 7a square. So we have to take here minus 6a square b, 7a square b. So here will be minus 6a square b. For messing minus 6a square we have to take here plus minus 6ab. As a result, this and this same, but this into this means plus 6ab square, but here is plus 7ab square, so we have to take here plus ab square, and for matching this we have to take here b square. As a result, b square into a mean ab square and plus b square minus b mean minus b cube. Okay, this equal to a minus b into a square minus 6ab plus b square. This is the required answer. Clear, student? Okay. Now example 32, resolve into factors. This same process as here is two variables, one is x and another one is a, but a take as constant, so we can take f of minus half a. We can also use plus half a or minus half a. Okay, because when the given condition is like this form, that's mean here leading coefficient not 1, so and here 8. Okay, as leading coefficient not 1, so 8 divided by this will get 8 divided by 54. 8 divided by 54. There is half is a factor. Okay, so either half or minus half we can take. As here is a present, so we also take here a. As a result, after putting this in given expression, the result will be 0. So x minus this is a factor, that's mean x plus a by 2. When we take half common, here will be 2x and here will be only a. That's mean half into 2x plus a is a factor of f of x. So 2x plus a is also factor of f of x. We can take, no problem. So this is a given condition. This equal to, we can write at first 2x plus a. For matching this, we have to take here 27x cube, and this into this we'll get this, and minus 8 into 2x, that's means 16x minus 8a, and this equal to this. But here is a form a cube minus b cube. This is a mean 3x whole cube, b mean 2, and here is cube. A cube minus b cube mean a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a square mean 3a whole square, that's mean 9x square, plus ab 3x into 2 means 6x, plus b square, b mean 2, a square mean 2 square, that's mean 4. This is the required answer. Clear? Another 16 number math. This is the given condition. As the coefficient, leading coefficient is not 1, so 2 divided by 18, here factor will be plus half or minus half, plus 1 or minus 1, and like the others. Okay, so we can put here minus half or plus half. As a result, after putting minus half, this makes 0. Okay, so x minus minus half is a factor of f of x. That's mean after taking here common half, there will be 2x plus 1. As this is a factor of f of x, so 2x plus 1 is a factor of this. That's mean f of x. Now this equal to, we can write 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 1. This, for matching this, we have to take here 9x square. Here will be 18x square, here 9x square, but here is 15x square, so we have to take plus 6x square. So for matching 6x square, we have to take here 3x, and 3x into 1 means 3x, but here is minus x, so we have to take here minus 4x. So we have to take here minus 2. As a result, minus 2 into 2x means minus 4x minus 2. Now this equal to 2x plus 1 into 9x square plus 3x minus 2. This into middle factor will get 9x square plus 6x minus 3x minus 2. Now finally we'll get 3x into 3x plus 2. When we'll take here minus 1, 3x plus 2. This equal to 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 1. This is the record answer. Okay. So the student homework is exercise 3.4 all, date of submission 13/7/2021, time 11 a.m. Every day you will solve only 2 math. As a result, you can easily finish this exercise. Okay, and if any one of you will face problem, you can share with me, no problem, I will help. Today up to this. Thank you to all everybody.